Hi.
Hi, I'm Tana Mojo.
And welcome the fuck back to my channel. Just kidding, that's Anna. Ooh. Was that uncomfortable? Did you just look over here?
No, that's fine.
There's people here. Also, I shouldn't be whispering because then it's not going to hear me. Okay.
No, you whispered the last 2 videos.
It's true. That's my brand, apparently. Okay. So.
We're doing a mukbang, by the way.
Yeah, we have voting here. Some soups in a bread bowl that we have to put together ourselves because we ordered it to go.
I also got my nose done today.
Oh yeah, we got new septum rings. You got a bigger one.
I got a big one.
Has little holes in it. It's cool.
Okay. Let's soup up and ask some questions.
20 minutes instead.
Also, there's like little dogs running around. So that's cute
and uncomfortable. It's all at the same time. I didn't get salt or pepper for my soup, and I'm kind of sad about it.
Oh my god. I'm excited.
Add extra.
Sure there. Oh, croutons. Oh my god. I wish you could see inside the bowl.
I know. If we show you though, it'll all fall out.
It's gonna fly away. Alright, doing great. Doing great.
I'm sad I didn't get pepper. Well,
I kind of want to show. Yes. 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 Okay.
oh, we should, I guess, ask questions.
Oh, we're asking questions.
We'll smoke after.
Maybe we'll split this up into 2 videos. Hey, let's keep it short.
Yeah, that's not gonna happen.
Okay. I literally think we should almost just fucking upload this to YouTube.
Yeah, we could do that.
Because why not?
What was your first? I don't know.
Let's pick one. We're gonna go do all of them.
There's 52. We're not gonna do all of them. Who was your first celebrity crush?
My first celebrity crush?
Mm-hmm. Ever. First ever in your life.
I kind of feel like it was Aaron Carter.
Oh, amazing. Wow. Okay.
I kind of feel like it was Aaron Carter.
I relate. He was cute. And he was a child and we were children.
Yeah. Who was yours?
I'm trying to think. I feel like it was... Do cartoons count?
Sure.
Because if cartoons count, it's Danny Phantom. I think. Or Velma from Scooby-Doo. If cartoons don't count. There had to be one before Nick Jonas. But I don't know who.
Okay, so yeah. Danny Phantom.
Nick Jonas, Danny Phantom.
Nick Jonas, that's fair. Also Hilary Duff.
Emily Osment. And I'm not making that face because she's cringy. It's just like a weird one. She's cute on Hannah Montana as Lily. Oh, like emo. Little scene skater.
Yeah, that's true. Okay, next question.
I'm bad at picking the questions. They all sound horrible to me.
First swear word. We already said that. Crap, right?
I think mine was crap. But I said fuck for the first time in 8th grade. I feel like I was
my first toy.
What kind?
Yeah, it doesn't say.
I'll just give the ages then. Literally newborn and maybe 19.
What?
Sex toy was when I was 19.
Oh, I don't know.
A regular toy. A
18?
literal baby.
Yeah, 18 or 19.
I was late to the party on everything, you guys. Oh.
There's an old dog walking towards us.
It's so cute.
What questions? This is
I
hard.
keep forgetting I'm eating. It's too much work.
First concert I ever attended.
Ooh. That's a good one. Mine was...
Raven's Moan.
Wow. Iconic. Mine was Hannah Montana and the Cheetah Girls. So cute. Oh my gosh.
He's so cute.
Mm-hmm.
It's a little boxer. Okay. Hannah Montana?
Before, like, it was like she was touring to promote season 1. I think the Cheetah Girls had just done, like, Cheetah Girls 2 or something. It was iconic. Oh, wait, no. Maybe Cheetah Girls 3. Raven wasn't there. I saw everybody but Raven, and you saw Raven. Whoa. We complete each other.
First time you ever got drunk?
Oh, wow. That's a good one. Do you know? Because I'm trying to think. You tell yours first then.
It was when I was talking to that one girl, and she was like, we were talking for like 4 months, and she invited me to her house and her apartment in Merced, and she was like really big on drinking, like did it all the time, and I had like never slash whatever. And so it was a thing where there was going to be like a party, and they were just going to get me drunk. And I tried so many alcohols that night. We played King's Cup, and I lost, so I had to drink it. And I got fucked up.
Oh, man.
And then we were playing Cards Against Humanity, and it was like 2 a.m., and I dropped a card on the floor, and I tried to pick it up, and then I fell out of the chair.
I've never heard this story.
Yeah.
Wow.
And I was like, I don't know if I'm drunk.
I feel like the first time I got really, really drunk was my 21st birthday. I went to see Panic! At the Disco in Weezer.
Oh my god.
Wow. Beautiful. And yeah, I mean, I drank a bunch of fucking
Budweiser?
margaritas,
Gross.
like the lime-marita things.
Oh, I've never had one of those.
Like so many. I don't know how I also got drunk off them. I was also smoking though. I mean, we're not monetized anyway. I was gonna say this is gonna get demonetized, but it's just never gonna be seen by anybody, so it doesn't matter. Yeah, I got really drunk. Like, I forgot Panic! At the Disco played one of my favorite songs. I was like, man, I wish they had played that song. And I was like, they did. Mine's less exciting. More questions.
More questions.
This is hard to keep up with, guys. We must sound so stupid. I've never been in a fist fight.
Me either.
Did it ask what our first YouTube video was that we watched?
First YouTuber you subscribed to? I feel like it might have been like Chris Crocker. Also, we got this.
Look at that.
It's a grilled cheese with apple and fig sauce. Or whatever. Jam. With a brie cheese.
Good.
I don't know. I ate an apple.
Chewy?
It's a lot.
Is it a lot? I'm gonna try it.
It's really sweet. You've barely made a dent in your soup, and I've eaten like almost all of mine.
Well, I feel like it would be good without the jam. If it was just cheese and apples. The jam is like real sweet. I'm sorry. I was the one that wanted that. Avocado toast would have been better.
I'm gonna eat it.
I mean, me too. Also, I've literally just been dipping my bread in my soup. I haven't been actually eating it. Like, I've just been soaking the bread in it and then eating it. I'm cold.
Okay. Okay. I feel like that was the end of the good questions.
Mm-hmm.
Now what? I wish they could tell us a topic.
I know. I was about to say, so what do you guys want to hear?
The like 2 people watching, and that's just me and you.
Mm-hmm. I don't know. The one that I had put on here to put on WeedTube got a few views. Like, high five people. They might all be people from Cogswell, because that's why I used this YouTube account, was for school stuff. So hi. How are you? I don't know what to talk about. We're just sitting here eating our food. We're just, listen.
This is what we do anyways.
We're just being shishipeos right now.
Truly.
It is more important than the video.
This is true.
Oh my god, did you see that Amelia met Trisha?
I did, but I haven't watched it.
It was, wow.
It
It was amazing.
was it?
Yeah. She knew who she was. Trisha knew who Amelia was.
I figure.
It was
Trisha
cute.
knows like everybody.
She like bowed down to her. It was super fucking cute.
Amelia bowed down to
No,
Trisha?
Trisha bowed
Oh
down to
wow.
Amelia.
Wow,
Yeah,
amazing.
It was really cute. She was
Proud
like
of her.
the queen of YouTube. And
Is Amelia dead now?
she spent like the last few minutes of the video just sobbing. It was so cute. I'm so happy she got to meet her finally. She
Where
did the VIP thing for her tour. So she got to like sit
Trisha's
around
on
with
tour?
her. Yeah. Yeah.
And there's a VIP thing and Amelia went?
Yes. She was like, I had to pay however much money to meet you. She was like, we're doing a collab. A collab that I paid this much for. It was iconic. And then Trisha showed everybody else at the VIP thing Amelia's tattoo.
Oh no. Amazing.
Mm-hmm. And Amelia brought Trisha a life-size cutout of herself, of Amelia. And a picture to put, a picture in a frame, and Trisha said she was going to put it next to her bed.
Oh,
It was
stop.
cute. It was really cute.
I didn't watch their 4th date or whatever the fuck. With that
There was a
one
4th
person.
one?
Yeah, or 3rd one.
3rd, I think. I watched it. It was good.
I watched the one in the park, and then I feel like there was another one after that.
There was one more. And it was
We have
good.
like the whole fucking place to ourselves now.
I know.
What do you want to do?
I don't know. I feel like we should do something and film it, but I don't know what. I guess we could smoke on the playground if we wanted.
They told me lots.
Oh no.
I just feel like Gabby, when she went back to like make it her first job, and she just made so many pizzas and just kept eating.
She got read to filth for that video.
Why?
I don't know. People were so mad about it. And
Why?
They were like, the people that you work with like hate you or whatever. Like your boss hated you. Like just being
They
fucking
probably
assholes.
loved her.
Like she was like, I almost want to leave YouTube because why are people so fucking mean, you know? And I'm like, I don't know.
People are so mean.
It's kind of disgusting.
And good though.
Mm-hmm.
You want a smoke intermission?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Right
Sorry,
now?
I got soup on that,
Okay.
I think. On the sandwich.
Ooh, I don't care. Oh my god. I need to expand my overalls a little bit.
Okay.
Ooh, wow.
Do we film a separate video? Do you guys want to come watch us on not YouTube? I
If you want to see where the party goes.
I guess we can still upload it to YouTube.
Yeah, like honestly, why the fuck not?
Alright.
Alright, let's just do it.
I need... Did you see Bunny's new monster babies?
No.
Oh my god. She got a vampire.
I don't have a lighter in here.
I have a lighter. She got a vampire. She got a Phantom of the Opera baby.
I saw she had a vampire one. I haven't watched any of the videos because I kind of don't super care.
I only watch the baby ones. Because I'm obsessed with them and I want them all. Mostly the Avatar baby. Ooh, beach. Scooby snacks. Oh, there's somebody doing push-ups in the distance. I'm gonna get in my soup. Are you okay?
It's delicious.
It's delicious?
Yeah. I wish we packed the second one.
We could always go back to the car. Damn. Ooh. This is nice. And there's somebody doing pull-ups in the distance over there. Fuck you, healthy people.
This is a cute part. We should come back.
Mm.
This is a good time too.
Mm. Oh, there's a man over there with a German Shepherd. I think it's a German Shepherd. So many dogs. Yes.
I don't know. We came up with making a murderer.
Oh, bitch. You would have to lead the discussion.
Ew.
What?
Ew.
Mistake?
That tastes nasty after we eat.
Really?
Yeah. I'm used to bread queen.
Me too. Steph Samyati, do you watch her? She's Bread Mom.
Yeah. You know. I kind of used to. I kept up with her plastic surgery updates, and like that was it.
I fell off for a little while, but I started watching her again.
I just don't really watch anybody really anymore. Like, I only watch Shane, Ryland. What's that girl's name? Safia.
Oh, she's fun.
I watch her.
She's fun. Is something I just said. I like her. Steph just made... I haven't really watched her in a long time, but I watched her latest video. She made a video, like, just telling people that she, like, appreciates them. Like, friends that, you know, you don't always tell, or whatever, if you have friends. That's kind of important. Just kidding, I have friends. A few.
Me. You have your friend in there.
Oh my god. Yeah, they called us friends at the piercing shop. Freaking gross.
I'm making a murderer.
Oh yeah. So they were framed. But we all know.
The entire premise of the show.
I know.
Ever.
Listen,
I
I'm
finished
saying
season 2,
my
did
beliefs.
I tell you?
You did, but I don't know what happens. I can't even remember, like, it's so, like, intricate that I lose all the details. Just completely.
Well, you saw. What quaked me was all the blood splatter.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that
in the
was
car.
crazy.
That they literally. I don't know how realistic it was that they actually got it from the sink, you know?
Yeah, right.
Because I'm like, it's possible I guess if he was bleeding that much, and I guess if they were quick enough to, like, get it while it was still wet, but they definitely just took a Q-tip of his blood and smudged it.
Right.
Wherever.
Right. I feel that.
And they're like, we picked up blood crumbs with tweezers.
Yeah.
And I'm like, on what planet?
I was gonna say the fucking crumbs of blood.
Right? You literally scrapes that shit off the sink.
Mm-hmm.
How does
Definitely.
that happen?
I think that was the episode I left off on. Was that one. How many episodes are there?
It just stopped recording and started recording again, I'm pretty sure.
What?
It was like, oh, maximum file reached.
Weird, but it still says 22 minutes. Also, this one out.
I feel like I'm screaming. Also, there's a lot of cars going, so...
I'm kind of screaming, but there's nobody here, so...
Okay.
Do we finish this?
Let's save the stitches. We can save it.
Okay.
We can go walk around and vlog and save it.
Let's deal with
If you
this
want to see
mess.
our park vlog after this.
Stick around.
Like, this isn't a park vlog.
I mean... Oh, man. Oof.
Out of here. Out of here.
Excuse me.
It's kind of good.
I feel like it gets better, but I just can't right now. It's too rich.
It's also disgusting.
You have to get the right combination of flavors for it to taste good.
Yeah.
It's super quiet now. Silent. Your septum looks so good.
Think. Alright.
Okay. I guess we shall walk now. We'll tell you if we discover anything interesting.
Bye.